Welcome to Health Channel with honesty, education, love and purpose.
Dear students of Standard 2, today we will try to solve some questions from EVS, Lesson 1. Who do I look like in my family? You will have only 10 seconds for assuming the correct answer. Now ready for the educational journey. Best of luck.
Question number 1. Newborn babies look like their dash. First option, pet. Second option, parents. Third option, toys. Fourth option, teacher. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is parents. Question number 2. What does a newborn baby do? First option, it plays. Second option, it eats and sleeps. Third option, it walks. Fourth option, it runs. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is it eats and sleeps. Question number 3. What activities you do in the night? First option, get ready to go to school. Second option, play in the park. Third option, sleep on time. Fourth option, study in the school. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is sleep on time. Question number 4. Which of following are related to cleanliness? First option, brushing, bathing, combing and trimming nails. Second option, pack school bag and lunch box. Third option, play games, watch television and movies. Fourth option, eat meals and sleep. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is brushing, bathing, combing and trimming nails. Question number 5. Who are your siblings? First option, your uncle's son. Second option, your brothers or sisters. Third option, your aunt's daughters. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is your brothers or sisters. Question number 6. Babies born at the same time to the same mother are called dash. First option, twins. Second option, identical. Third option, paired. Fourth option, cousins. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is twins. Question number 7. The picture given below is that of dash. First option, the brother and sister. Second option, the grandparents. Third option, the aunt and uncle. Fourth option, a family. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is a family. Question number 8. Ajay and Vijay look exactly the same. They are dash. First option, cousins. Second option, twins. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is twins. Question number 9. In the picture given below, the family's members do not include dash. First option, pets. Second option, aunt and uncle. Third option, cousins. Fourth option, grandparents. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is pets. Question number 10. In a family, we are dash to each other. First option, related. Second option, not related. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is related. Thank you for watching Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.